Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got some of the baddest watch faces for you all to check out by PW, and this one's going to be series number 1. Alright, so we got something to fit everybody. If you're going out exercising, if you're going out to hit the town, we got some awesome looking watch faces that you gotta check out today in the Gear Manager store. We're going to start off with number 1. Number 1 is called PW109. It is a 12 24-hour watch face based off of how you set your data time. And with that being said, let's look at this watch face. Now in the AOD mode, it looks good for the Gear S3 and the Gear S2. Now the Gear S3 is going to give you analog and digital time in the AOD mode. Once the watch face is on, this is going to be more so geared toward the person who's really into exercise. You want to keep up with your information. You got steps, calories burned, your heart rate. You also get your miles walked around, you get battery info, your steps gauge right here. Now I haven't been anywhere, so it's not going to show anything, but you also got a battery gauge over here as well. You got digital time, you got your date. This is an awesome looking watch face, and it is analog and digital, so that means you get the best of both worlds, and you get a nice second hand that's ticking around the bezel of the watch. I love the design, I love the unique look. 3 thumbs up in the door for this watch. Watch face number 2 is called PW108. This is a 12 24-hour watch face as well, depending on the format you set for your watch. But I'm telling you, this is a nice analog / digital look. I like the layout. I do love the design of this watch face. 3 thumbs up in the door for this one. And in the AOD mode, I like the look for the Gear S2, right? It's the digital time, but the layout of it in the AOD mode looks good. The Gear S3 is pretty much going to look like the watch face when it's on, but they both are going to look awesome. Now when the watch face is on, again, you get the best of both worlds. This is an analog watch face. I am loving the hands, digital time, dead center. You're also going to get calories burned, your steps. Down here, you're going to get miles walked around, heart rate, and your date at the bottom. Everything looks well. Now, I like the way that the index glows as well. Kind of brings out the whole watch face and the theme of it all. And yes, you do get a nice second hand that's taken around the bezel of the watch. Moon phase, your battery info, your step goal completed. You get everything, and you still get a great look out of this watch face. Now, down at the bottom, if you want to, you can tap on your music player and get your music. Same thing right here. You can get your weather. So you tell me, people, is this a good look or not? I thought PW got down on this watch face. All right, you all, let's check out watch face number 3. Watch face number 3. Now, this one is called PW115A. This is another unique watch face by PW. I thought he did an excellent job with it, giving them 3 thumbs up in the door for the creative design of this one. Now in AOD mode, PW always gives you something nice. I love the look for the Gear S2 so far as the AOD mode is concerned. You are going to get digital time, and you are going to get your step status info. Same thing with the Gear S3 as well. Very nice look. Now, when the watch face is on, you can see the uniqueness around the bezel of the watch. I like that sports look, but I also like the design on the inside as well. That blue really stands out. And you're going to get all your step status info, dead center, your steps, of course, your heart rate, miles walked around. Going to get digital time. Now, I'm loving the look and the design of the hands of the watch face as well. Got a nice second hand. You're going to get your date down at the bottom, and you also get shortcuts too, right? And you can tap into them. Got your music player, and I like that these developers gives us things that are going to be useful on the watch face, like your settings. If you need to tweak that, you got your weather, which is important to most people. And you also got your calendar, just in case you need to know what date it is or you need to set an event. You got it right there at your fingertips. And if you tap dead center, you can customize the color of it. So depending on what you're wearing for that day, you can kind of match up a little bit. So I like what this developer offered us with this watch face, and I thought it was definitely worth the 3 thumbs up. All right, you all, that's going to be it for series number 1. I hope you guys are enjoying your weekend, having fun, enjoying family and friends. And if you're going out and you're going to hit the town, please make sure you be safe. And I'll see you all at the next video. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button on the way out, and I'll see you all at the next one. Take care.